Hello dear students, good evening to everyone. Let me clear about the screen and sound. Is it clear? Sound and screen both are clear. Hello dear students, good evening to everyone. Okay, sound and screen both are clear. Now start the question from the electrochemistry. How is the electrical conductance of conductor? Electrical conductance is the G related to the length and area of cross section. Length A, L, area of cross section is the A. Okay. So, G directly proportional to the area, inversely proportional to length. So, G is equal to K multiplied by area divided by the length. So, length is reciprocal. So, this is your answer. G is equal to K. K is the conductivity. Area divided by the length of the metallic conductor. Which among the following solution is not used in determination of cell constant? Saturated KCl is not used. Saturated KCl used for salt bridge. It is used for salt bridge. What is the SI unit of conductivity? SI unit of conductivity, Siemens per meter. It is again the per ohm per meter. Okay, this is your answer. Per ohm per meter, Siemens per meter. The conductivity of an electrolytic solution decreases on dilution due to the decrease in number of ions per unit volume. So, conductivity, this is conductivity, lambda is equal to 1000 K divided by C. 1000 K divided by C. So, conductivity and concentration both are inversely proportional. Therefore, decrease in number of ions per unit volume. The resistance 1 by 10th solution. So, this is the concentration 0.1. Resistance. So, this is the R value, resistance. What is the molar conductivity? So, that's the lambda we have to calculate it. Say constant also given. So, molar conductivity is equal to 1000 K divided by C. But the K is equal to again 1000. What is the K? K is equal to cell constant. So, cell constant divided by the C multiplied by R. R stand for resistance. Get it? R stand for resistance. So, we'll put the value, we'll get the 5.0 answer. So, what is the conductivity? Conductivity is equal to cell constant divided by resistance. And what is the molar conductivity? 1000 K by C. So, conductivity is equal to cell constant divided by resistance. I am written here as the K is equal to conductivity is equal to cell constant divided by the resistance. R. R stand for resistance. So, put the value K instead of cell constant and resistance. We will get the answer 5. The molar conductivity at infinite dilution for sodium chloride SCl, NaCl, SCl and NaCl respectively. Sodium acetate is also there, CS3CONa. Sodium acetate. The molar conductivity of acetic acid at infinite dilution is equal to. So, first write the reaction here. So, sodium acetic acid we have to calculate it. So, CS3COOH acetic acid plus sodium chloride. So, this is sodium chloride here. Sodium chloride. 2 gives what is sodium acetate CS3CONa. Sodium acetate and plus hydrochloric acid. Okay. So, what is the value for acetic acid? acetic acid value we have to calculate it here. So acetic acid, lambda naught of acetic acid CH3COH plus sodium chloride value is given 126.4 is equal to sodium acetate value 91 plus hydrochloric acid 425.9. Okay, so first addition then subtraction will get the acetic acid 390. Okay, first addition and then subtraction will get the acetic acid. Next question. What is the relation between cell constant, conductivity and electrical resistance? So conductivity is equal to B. B stands for cell constant. This is called as a cell constant. Cell constant divided by resistance. So B is your answer. Cell constant divided by resistance is the conductivity. What will be the concentration of NaCl solution if molar conductivity and conductivity NaCl solution is? So concentration, this is the conductivity, molar conductivity lambda, conductivity K, molar conductivity lambda, and C we have to calculate it. So lambda is equal to, what is the formula? Lambda is equal to 1000 K divided by C. K divided by C. So what is the formula for C? C is equal to 1000 K divided by molar conductivity. So put the value here. C is equal to 1000 multiply by K. How much K value? 1.2 43 multiply by 10 to power minus 3 minus 4 here, minus 4. This is minus 4. This whole divided by lambda. What is the lambda? Molar conductivity 124. So solve this question, we'll get the answer. How much? 1, 2, 3, 10 to power minus 3. Okay. One, 2, 4, 3, 1, 2, 3 get cancelled. Answer as a 10 to power minus 3. Then what is the formula? 1000 K by C. If resistivity of, so this is the concentration, resistivity, so this is the rho. Calculate the molar conductivity. Molar conductivity is equal to K. So how to calculate? Concentration is given, resistivity is given. So conductivity and resistivity are reciprocal. So conductivity is equal to 1 divided by resistivity. So is equal to 1 divided by how much? 1 divided by the 2.5 multiply by 10 to power how much? Minus 3. ठीक है, सॉल्व करा बड़ा क्वेश्चन. calculate the molar conductivity. Molar conductivity, so this is the K value here, and then by using this formula, molar conductivity is equal to 1000 K divided by C. Okay, 1000 K divided by C. So this is conductivity. And then put the value for K, C, okay, that's concentration 0.8, K value as 1 divided by 2.5 into 10 to power minus 3, and concentration 0.8. Put the value, will get the answer 5 into 10 to power 5 per ohm centimeter square per mole. So K is the conductivity. First we have to calculate the conductivity. Resistivity reciprocal to resistivity is the conductivity. The distance between electrodes of conductivity cell is, this is length, this is area. What is the cell constant? So cell constant is equal to length divided by area. Length divided by area, 0.5. 0.5 is the answer. Length divided by area, 0.98 divided by 0.98 divided by area 1.96. Exact 1 by 2 value. This is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is a 0.5. Molar conductivity of, this is concentration. Molar conductivity lambda is given. Calculate the conductivity. Conductivity K we have to calculate it. K is equal to question mark. So what is the formula? Formula as the molar conductivity is equal to 1000 K by C. So K is equal to how much? So K is equal to lambda C divided by 1000. So what is the lambda value? Lambda as a molar conductivity 400. 400 divided by 0.01. This whole divided by 1000. 0, 0 get cancelled. 4 into 10 to power minus 3. Conductivity of a conductor is inverse of resistivity. Conductivity K is equal to reciprocal of resistivity. Inverse of resistivity. So this is inverse of resistivity. Inverse of resistivity is the conductivity. Which among the following electrical property has SI unit? Siemens. Siemens per meter. Conductivity. Siemens per meter. Siemens also called as a per ohm per meter. Per ohm per meter is a Siemens conductivity. Conductivity stands for the K. K. Okay, K is a symbol for conductivity. Conductance has a symbol G. Resistance has a symbol R. Resistivity symbol rho. Rho is a symbol. The conductivity of NaI, and molar conductivity. So this is K value here. Molar conductivity lambda is given. Calculate the concentration. So C is equal to question mark. Okay, same formula. Molar conductivity is equal to 1000 K divided by C. C is the concentration. So put the value for K, K value, lambda value, C concentration 0.005. The conductivity of, okay, concentration. So this is concentration. Conductivity, so this is K value here. What is the molar conductivity? Lambda we have to calculate it. So again, what is the formula? Molar conductivity is equal to 1000 K divided by C. Put the value, we'll get the answer. 10.61. 10.61 per ohm centimeter square per mole. A resistance of concentration is given. Resistance R is equal to given, and conductivity K also given. What is the cell constant? So therefore, conductivity is equal to cell constant divided by resistance. So therefore, cell constant is equal to K into R. Cell constant is equal to K. K is conductivity multiplied by R. So what is the value for K? 0.01 Siemens per centimeter. So this is the K value, 0.013 multiplied by 300. So what is the number here? So this is the 1.3 multiplied by 3. So 3.9 is your answer. Next, conductivity cell is filled with C is equal to concentration. Resistance is given 484 ohm and conductivity is given. This is conductivity. So what is the cell constant? Again the same formula. Cell constant K into R. Question number 16, 17 both are same. 0.682. Question number 16, 17 both are same. Again, cell constant is equal to K multiplied by R, K into R. K is conductivity, R is resistance. What is the cell constant? Again, what is the cell constant? C is concentration given 0.1. Temperature, conductivity, resistance. So this is conductivity K, resistance. Again, same formula, K into R. Cell constant is equal to K into R. K conductivity multiplied by resistance. What is the molar conductivity at infinite dilution CaCl2 if molar conductivity Ca2 plus and Cl minus ion? Okay, this is the actual reaction. CaCl2 gives Ca2 plus twice Cl minus. So is equal to the one calcium ion has conductivity 119 plus how much? 2 into Cl 71. Yes, we'll get the answer 261. Calcium ion Ca2 plus has value 119 and okay, Cl minus has the value 71. So 2 times 71 plus 119. Clear? 1 calcium 119 and the 2 Cl minus, so 2 multiplied by 71. First multiply, then addition. If the conductivity of Again the 0.08 molar concentration, conductivity K is given. What is the molar conductivity? So lambda we have to calculate it. So lambda is equal to 1000 K by C. Put the value, we'll get the answer 250. Concentration given 0.8. Conductivity also given 2 into 10 to power minus 2. A conductivity cell shows the resistance. So this is R, resistance 600. If conductivity of, this is concentration. Then conductivity K is equal to also given cell constant. So same formula. Cell constant is equal to resistance multiplied by conductivity, or conductivity divided by resistance. Okay, conductivity multiplied by resistance. K multiplied by R. So what is the K value here? 0.0015 multiplied by 600. So number as a, how much number here? 0.15 multiplied by 6. The molar conductivity of 0.1 molar BaCl2. So concentration. This is molar conductivity, or lambda is equal to. So what is the conductivity? K is equal to question mark. Again the same formula. Molar conductivity is equal to 1000 K divided by C. So K is equal to lambda into C divided by 1000. Put the value, will get the answer 1.06 into 10 to power minus 2. What is the molar conductivity? Lambda is equal to question mark. Concentration given. Conductivity also given. So what is the formula? Molar conductivity is equal to 1000 K by C. Which among the following aqueous salt solution is used in conductivity cell to determine cell constant? KCl. KCl is the answer. The molar conductivity, concentration given, molar conductivity also given. What is the resistivity? Rho we have to calculate it. Good question. Okay. So molar conductivity is equal to 1000 divided by rho into C. So rho is equal to 1000 divided by lambda into C. Put the value, will get the answer. Rho is the resistivity. Always remember, rho is the resistivity. So what is the formula actually? So formula is lambda is equal to 1000 K divided by C, na 1000 K divided by C. But 1 upon rho is equal to K. So put the value K is equal to 1 upon rho. Okay, we'll get the answer. Please check out 1000 divided by lambda. What is the lambda value? 2.5. 10 to power 5. Multiply by 0.4. Okay, 0.4. So 1000 10 to power 5. Remain as a 10 to power minus 2 only. 10 to power minus 2. Which among the following statement is true for conductivity? It is inversely proportional to the resistivity. Conductivity is equal to reciprocal of resistivity. Conductivity inversely proportional to resistivity. What will be the concentration? So C is equal to, we have to calculate it. Molar conductivity. Lambda is equal to given. Conductivity is equal to given. So what is the formula? Lambda is equal to 1000 K by C. So modify the formula. C is equal to 1000 K divided by lambda. 1000 multiplied by K. How much K value? 0.0115. This whole divided by 2. Okay, 230. So 0 get cancelled. Point shift kara, we'll get the answer. So what is the answer here? 1, 2, 3. So 11.5 divided by 230 is equal to 0.05. Which from following electrolyte molar conductivity is determined using Chlorus theory? Weak acid. Weak acid, acetic acid, weak acid. What is the resistance of concentration given? Conductivity is, so conductivity K is equal to cell constant given. So what is the resistance? So resistance is equal to R is equal to question mark. So what is the formula? Conductivity is equal to cell constant divided by resistance. So resistance is equal to cell constant divided by conductivity. So what is the value for cell constant? 1. divided by 200. So 1 divided by 200 is the 5 into 10 to power minus 3. Molar conductivity of concentration given. Molar conductivity lambda is also given. What is the conductivity? So K is equal to question mark. Formula lambda is equal to 1000 K by C. So put the value, we'll get the answer 9.2 into 10 to power minus 3. 1000 K by C. The conductivity of, so concentration is given, conductivity is also given. Molar conductivity we have to calculate it. Again same formula. Lambda is equal to 1000 K by C. Put the value, we'll get the answer. Same question, same pattern question. What is the molar conductivity? Question mark. Concentration given. Conductivity also given. Formula 1000 K by C. Put the value, we'll get the answer. सेम प्रॉब्लेम, सेम, काहीच फरक नाही त्यामध्ये, फक्त व्हॅल्यू पुट करायच्यात, पॉइंट शिफ्ट करायचा, आन्सर मिळेल. Yes, congratulations, Saurabh. Congratulations. This is your dedication, your hard work, consistency. Okay, in 2022. Very good, very good. I remember, okay, I remember you. Okay, you are the best student. The molar conductivity and conductivity of a solution of the molar conductivity, so this is lambda. Very good, very good. The molar conductivity and conductivity of electrolytic solution. So this is molar conductivity, lambda is equal to, and this is conductivity. What is the concentration? So conductivity is equal to 1000 K divided by C. 1000 K divided by C. Put the value, we'll get the answer. Concentration, na? So formula modify for concentration. So C is equal to, how much C value? C is equal to 1000 K divided by molar conductivity lambda. Okay, next question. The conductivity of the 1 by 10th KCl. So this is concentration 0.1. Temperature not need to, okay, add here. Conductivity is the K is equal to conductivity. If resistance of cell R resistance given 44 ohm, what is the value of cell constant? So cell constant we have to calculate it. So what is the formula? That's cell constant is equal to K into R. Cell constant is equal to K into R. Conductivity into resistance. If you multiply by conductivity into resistance, we will get the cell constant. So put the value K. What is the K value? 0.0215 and resistance is the 44. 0.0215 multiply by 44. So we'll get the value 0.946. Which of the following formula is used to calculate electrical conductance? So electrical conductance, G is equal to G, that's the conductance directly proportional to the length and inversely proportional to area. So K is the conductivity. Say is a constant, K is a constant called as the conductivity. K called as the conductivity. The molar conductivity of concentration is given. This is molar conductivity is also given. What is conductivity? Conductivity, that's the K we have to calculate it. So what is the formula here? Lambda is equal to 1000 K divided by C. So okay, modify the formula for K. So K is equal to lambda into C divided by 1000. We'll get the answer 2.2 into 10 to power minus 2. Put the value put kara, we'll get the answer. So what is the lambda value? Lambda is a 440 multiply by C, concentration 0.05 divided by 1000. 0 get cancelled. 2.2 into 10 to power minus 2 is your answer. What is the conductivity of? So concentration is given. If its resistance is also given 100 ohm, and cell constant of conductivity cell. So this is cell constant is also given. Cell constant. So what is the conductivity? Conductivity K we have to calculate it here. So conductivity is equal to, what is the formula? Conductivity is equal to cell constant divided by resistance. Cell constant divided by resistance. So what is the value cell constant? 1 divided by resistance how much? That's a 400 ohm. 1 divided by 400. Okay, please solve kara question. We'll get the answer. Okay, per ohm per centimeter. What is the SI unit of conductivity? Siemens per meter. What is the SI unit of conductivity? Siemens per meter. What is the conductivity of 0.02 molar HCl solution? Conductivity K we have to calculate it. Concentration is given. Molar conductivity is also given. So what is the formula? Molar conductivity is equal to 1000 K by C. 1000 K by C. So modify the formula for K. K is equal to lambda into C divided by 1000. So 1000. So what is the molar conductivity? 408.4 multiply by C 0.02, and this whole divided by 1000. 0 get cancelled. Answer 8168 into 10 to power minus 3. If conductivity of concentration given, conductivity is also given, resistance also given, and cell constant, then so molar conductivity is equal to 1000 K by C, but conductivity is equal to 1000 multiplied by cell constant divided by C multiplied by resistance. So what is the value for cell constant? Cell constant we have to calculate it. तो आय थिंक दोन फॉर्म्युला एकत्र नका करू, ठीक आहे. डायरेक्ट पण सॉल्व करता येऊ शकतं. एक सिंगल फॉर्म्युला देतो का आम्ही आपल्याला. सिंगल फॉर्म्युला हा आहे की सेल कॉन्स्टंट इज इक्वल टू के इंटू आर. सिंगल फॉर्म्युला सॉल्व होईल. सेल कॉन्स्टंट इज इक्वल टू के इंटू आर. सिंगल फॉर्म्युला घ्या. So what is the K value? K as a 0.005 multiply by R 200. So how much number here? 0.5 multiply by 2. 0.5 multiply by 2 is equal to 1. So 1 per centimeter is your answer. Conductivity of 0.04 molar. So concentration is given 0.04 molar. Conductivity K also given. What is the molar conductivity? So molar conductivity lambda is equal to, molar conductivity we have to calculate it, is equal to 1000 K divided. Which of following equation gives molar conductivity of barium hydroxide at 0? Barium hydroxide. So this is BaOH twice gives Ba2 plus twice OH minus. So this is your answer. 2 times OH minus. What happened to conductivity of solution if it is diluted? It decreases. Why? Because molar conductivity is equal to 1000 K by C. So conductivity decreases if dilute the solution. Solution diluted, that is concentration decreases. The conductivity C is given, concentration given, conductivity is also given. How to calculate molar conductivity? Molar conductivity is equal to 1000 K divided by C. Put the value, will get the answer 132.2 per ohm centimeter square per mole. Identify the concentration of electrolytic solution. So concentration we have to calculate it. Molar conductivity lambda is given, conductivity K also given. So what is the formula? Molar conductivity is equal to 1000 K divided by C. One thousand K divided by C is the molar conductivity. So C is equal to concentration. C is equal to 1000 K divided by molar conductivity lambda. So 1000 multiplied by K. How much K value? 1.06 10 to power minus 2. This whole divided by lambda. How much lambda? 106. 106, 106. Get cancel. 10 to power minus 2.1 is your answer. Substitute the value. We'll get the answer. This is very important question. Which from following formula used to calculate a degree of dissociation of weak electrolyte in terms of lambda C and lambda naught? So lambda C by lambda naught is equal to alpha, degree of dissociation. Lambda C by lambda naught, degree of dissociation. In a conductivity cell, C concentration is given, cell constant is given, cell constant. Conductivity also given. resistance we have to calculate it. So again, cell constant is equal to conductivity is equal to cell constant divided by resistance. So resistance is equal to cell constant divided by conductivity. Substitute the value cell constant 0.9 divided by conductivity 1.38 into 10 to power minus 4. So we'll get the answers 6521 ohm is your answer. The SI unit of resistance is ohm. So simple question, ohm. The conductivity of C is equal to given 0.5 kCl. Conductivity K also given. What is the molar conductivity? Molar conductivity we have to calculate it. Lambda we have to calculate it. So molar conductivity is equal to 1000 K by C. So substitute the value 1000 multiply by 0.0535 and this whole divided by C 0.5. We'll get the answer 107. The molar conductivity of 0.04 molar. So this is concentration given. Molar conductivity lambda also given. What is the conductivity? Conductivity we have to calculate it. So what is the formula? Molar conductivity is equal to 1000 K divided by C. So therefore K is equal to lambda into C divided by 1000. Substitute the value, we'll get the answer 2.62 into 10 to power minus 3. Calculate the conductivity. So concentration given, resistance also given, cell constant also given. So calculate the conductivity. K we have to calculate it. Conductivity. Formula conductivity is equal to cell constant divided by resistance. So we'll get the answer 1.14 into 10 to power minus 4. The conductivity of an electrolytic solution is the ratio of so conductivity K is equal to ratio of cell constant divided by resistance. Direct formula विचारलाय त्यांनी. Direct formula conductivity is equal to is the K cell constant divided by resistance. Direct formula विचारलाय. What is the SI unit of molar conductivity? What is the SI unit of molar conductivity? So simple question. Siemens per meter. Okay, Siemens meter square per mole. Which among the following concentration of KCl solution is not used to determine the cell constant of conductivity? Saturated. Same repeat question. Saturated KCl used in salt bridge. Use in salt bridge, not use in conductivity cell. The concentration given The conductivity also given, K. K is the conductivity. Molar conductivity we have to calculate it. So how to calculate molar conductivity? Molar conductivity is equal to 1000 K by C. Substitute the value, we'll get the answer 124. 1000 K by C. Calculate the molar conductivity infinite dilution for NaBr. Conductivity NaCl, KBr, KCl also given. So first we have to write the NaBr. NaBr plus KCl is equal to NaCl plus KBr. बरोबर, NaCl plus KBr. Value substitute करा, we'll get the answer. So we have to calculate the molar conductivity of NaBr. So lambda naught of NaBr plus KCl. So what is the value for KCl? 150 is equal to NaCl. What is the value for NaCl? 126 plus KBr value how much? 152. The first addition then subtraction. First addition then subtraction, will get the answer 128. The resistance of a conductivity cell containing concentration given. This is resistance also given. Resistance 150 ohm. What is the cell constant? What is the cell constant? If conductivity also given. So cell constant we have to calculate it here. So cell constant directly count होणार है, K into R. So cell constant is equal to K conductivity multiplied by resistance. Substitute the value, will get the answer 0.225. Conductivity is given. Conductivity, how much conductivity? 1.5 multiplied by 10 to power minus 3. Resistance how much? 150. So what is the number here? 1.5 multiplied by 1, 2, 3, 0.15. So we'll get the answer 225. Next question, for which of the following electrolyte Chlorus law of independent migration of ions used to calculate? This is weak electrolyte. Ammonium hydroxide, acetic acid also there, CH3COOH. Acetic acid, ammonium hydroxide are weak electrolyte. Weak electrolyte obeys Chlorus law of independent migration of ions. Next question, a conductivity cell has 2 electrodes. So this is length 1 millimeter apart and having area of cross section A centimeter square. So this is 1 millimeter ना, त्याचं 1.8 करावं लागेल, 1.8 centimeter. Always remember. What is the value of cell constant? Millimeter convert into centimeter. So this is the one of the trap here. So cell constant is equal to length divided by area. So what is the length value? Length as the 1.8 divided by 2. So this is 0.9 per centimeter. millimeter convert into centimeter because answer is in the centimeter per centimeter and area centimeter square. So first convert millimeter into centimeter. So 10 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter. Okay, get it? What is the value of conductivity? So concentration given, molar conductivity also given, conductivity K we have to calculate it, question mark. So formula is the molar conductivity is equal to 1000 K by C. So again K is equal to lambda into C, this whole divided by 1000. Substitute the value, will get the answer 1.41 into 10 to power minus 3. What is the SI unit of conductivity? Conductivity has a SI unit per, okay, that's a per ohm per meter. It is also called as a Simon per meter. SI unit of conductivity. So simple question. Molar conductivity of 0.1 molar. So concentration given. Molar conductivity also given. Calculate the degree of dissociation. Alpha we have to calculate it. If molar conductivity has 0 concentration, so there is a 2 concentration. So lambda C and this is the lambda naught. Okay. So alpha is equal to, very easy, alpha is equal to lambda C divided by lambda naught. So what is the lambda C value? 19.5 divided by lambda naught 390. So we'll get the answer 0.05. Okay, 0.05 is your answer. Point shift kara, we'll get the answer. Next, calculate the molar conductivity of. So we have to calculate molar conductivity at 0 concentration. KCl 0 concentration value also given. So this is CH2. CH2, Cl, COOH plus so here as a CH2, Cl, COOK plus SCl and plus KCl here, ठीक है, is equal to. So this value we have to calculate it, lambda naught we have to calculate it, plus KCl value, how much KCl? 1.4. Yes. So CH2 Cl COOK, CH2 Cl COOK 1.1 is equal to 1.1 plus SCl value how much? 4.2. So first addition then subtraction, we get the answer 3.9. Get it? Solve kara please. 1.1 and 4.2. Okay, next question. Calculate the lambda naught of CH2. Same question I think. हा जो क्वेश्चन आहे पहा, क्वेश्चन नंबर सेम क्वेश्चन आहे. शिफ्ट वेगवेगळ्या क्वेश्चन्स आहे. 2022 शिफ्ट 2 आहे, ही शिफ्ट 1 आहे. 11 ऑगस्ट आहे, 11 ऑगस्ट आहे 2022 कोविडच्या सिच्युएशनमध्ये. क्वेश्चन सेम आहे, सर्व सेम दिलेलं आहे, काहीतरी एक नंबर वेगळा आहे फक्त. इथे 1.4 आहे, इथे 1.5 आहे, हा एक नंबर वेगळा आहे म्हणून आन्सर थोडं चेंज झालं आहे. 3.9 3.8. हा यस 2025. यस PYQs करा, PYQs. Okay, if you have zero study, then only solve PYQs, previous year question, and formula based question. Formula based question, फक्त formula based question solve करा. Okay. This is not a time to study 2025. It may be molar conductivity of concentration 0.01. Molar conductivity is given, lambda is given. So calculate the conductivity. So K is equal to, we have to calculate it. So what is the formula? Lambda is equal to 1000 K by C. Okay, so many times I am talking with this formula. So many times. 1000 K by C. So this is K is equal to lambda into C divided by 1000. So substitute the value, will get the answer 0.025. What is the effect of dilution of electrolytic solution? So lambda is equal to 1000 K by C. So as the dilution, concentration decreases, conductivity increases, molar conductivity increases also. What is molar conductivity of Al3 plus if aluminum sulfate and sulfite ion? ठीक है, so aluminum sulfate Al2SO4 thrice. Lambda naught of aluminum sulfate has a value how much? 858 is equal to 2 times Al3 plus. Lambda naught of Al3 plus 3 times sulfate 160. So multiply 160, then subtract and then divide by 2. We will get the answer 189. Solve all type of question, organic, inorganic, physical. Oh yes, 7 or 8 chapters. 12 from 12 chemistry. 12 is very important for CET scoring. Next question. Identify the formula used to calculate molar conductivity. So lambda is equal to 1000 K by C. This is okay, too much easy question from physical chemistry. Lambda is equal to 1000 K by C. Direct formula विचारलाय, formula based questions है. What is the molar conductivity of ammonium hydroxide at 0 concentration if barium hydroxide, barium chloride, ammonium chloride? So NH4OH plus NH4Cl on right side. plus BaCl2 आणि plus BaOH twice. Okay, so this is twice here. So what is the molar conductivity of NH4OH? So 2 times of lambda naught of NH4OH plus BaCl2. So what is the BaCl2? 280 is equal to 2 times ammonium chloride. So what is the value for ammonium chloride? 129.8 plus barium hydroxide. What is the barium hydroxide? First value 523.28. So first multiply by 2, addition, then subtract, then divide by 2. We'll get the ammonium hydroxide value. Lambda naught of ammonium hydroxide we have to calculate it. So first multiply by 2, then add, then subtract 280 from this number, and then lastly divide by 2. Which of the following expression correctly represent molar conductivity of aluminum sulfate? So aluminum sulfate twice Al3 plus thrice SO4 2 minus. So twice, this is 2, so this is 2, this is 3, this is 3. A conductivity cell has a cell constant. So this is cell constant. The cell when filled with the 0.01 concentration. So this is concentration. Resistance is also given. R is equal to conductivity we have to calculate it. So conductivity K is equal to, so K is equal to question mark. Conductivity is equal to cell constant divided by resistance. Cell constant divided by resistance. So what is the cell constant? Cell constant 0.5 divided by resistance 384. So solve this, we'll get the answer 1.3 into 10 to power minus 3. Next question, calculate the molar conductivity at infinite dilution for acetic acid. If molar conductivity at infinite dilution for NaCl are given, so acetic acid we have to calculate it. So this is CS3 COOH plus CS3COO ONA plus HCl. So here as a NaCl. So this is we have to calculate it. Lambda naught of acetic acid CS3COOH plus NaCl. So what is the value for NaCl? 126.4 is equal to sodium acetate 91 plus hydrochloric acid 425.9. Add, then subtract, we'll get the answer 390. Identify the formula for determination of cell constant. Cell constant, length divided by area. Length divided by area. Direct length divided by area. L by A. The molar conductivity of cation and anion of salt Ba. What is the molar conductivity of Ba? So this is Ba gives B plus plus A minus. So molar conductivity at Ba is equal to B plus. What is the B plus? 180. 180 plus 200. So is equal to 380 na. 180 plus 200 is equal to 380 per ohm centimeter square per mole. Identify false statement from the following. Conductivity is directly proportional to ratio. Conductivity is directly proportional to length to area. बरोबर है, correct है. Conductance is inversely proportional to cross sectional of conductor. No, this is false statement. Conductance G हा inversely proportional आहे resistance ला. Conductance resistance. Get it? Conductance inversely proportional to length of conductor बरोबर है. Conductivity directly proportional to length of conductor correct है. What is the conductivity of? Concentration is given. Resistance 600 ohm. Cell constant is given. So what is the conductivity? K we have to calculate it. So conductivity is equal to cell constant divided by resistance. Cell constant divided by resistance. Cell constant divided by resistance. Substitute the value, will get the answer 1.5 10 to power minus 3. If the KCl is conductivity of standard KCl solution, R is the resistance, then cell constant. Formula based question directly. Cell constant is equal to conductivity into resistance. Cell constant is equal to conductivity of KCl into resistance of KCl. The molar conductivity of 0.2, so this is 0.2 molar as concentration. 124 is the molar conductivity, so lambda is equal to 120. What is conductivity? So K we have to calculate it. So what is the formula? Lambda is equal to 1000 K by C. So how to calculate the K? K is equal to lambda into C whole divided by 1000. Substitute the value, will get the answer 2.48 into 10 to power minus 2. Which formula is correct to determine the cell constant? Length by area. Every year there is one question, cell constant formula. Length divided by area, L by A. Length divided by area. Lambda naught of HCl, acetic acid, sodium acid. Acetic acid value we have to calculate it. CS3COOH plus NaCl is equal to CS3 COONA and plus HCl. So lambda naught of HCl all given and acetic acid we have to calculate it. So lambda naught of acetic acid CS3COOH plus NaCl. So NaCl has the value how much? NaCl has the value Z is equal to sodium acid has the value Y plus HCl has the value X. So solve करा है is equal to Y plus X minus Z. आन्सर सांगा प्लीज, आन्सर. x plus y minus z. x plus y minus z. What is the conductivity of concentration is given? If its molar conductivity is, conductivity we have to calculate it. Molar conductivity is also given, lambda is equal to given. So molar conductivity is equal to 1000 K by C. So conductivity is equal to lambda into C divided by 1000. Substitute the value, will get the answer. Conductivity is equal to lambda C by 1000. Next, conductivity of a solution is 1.26. So this is conductivity K is equal to. Calculate the molar conductivity. So lambda we have to calculate it. And concentration is given. So molar conductivity is equal to 1000 K by C. So substitute the value, 1000 multiplied by K. How much K value? 1.26 multiplied by 10 to power minus 2. And this whole divided by concentration, 0.01. So we'll get the answer 1.26 into 10 to power 3. Calculate the conductivity. So concentration given. If its molar conductivity is, calculate the conductivity. So K is equal to question mark. Molar conductivity is given, lambda is equal to given. So formula, molar conductivity 1000 K divided by C. So K is equal to, formula modify kara, K is equal to lambda C multiplied by 1000. We'll get the conductivity. Substitute the value, we'll get the answer. 8.144 10 to power minus 3. What happens when solution of electrolyte is diluted? Lambda increases and conductivity decreases. Why? Because molar conductivity is equal to 1000 K divided by C. 1000 K divided by C. The molar conductivity of, so concentration is given, molar conductivity is also given. What is the value for conductivity? Question mark. Formula, molar conductivity 1000 K divided by C. So K is equal to lambda multiplied by C divided by 1000. Substitute the value, will get the answer 2.85 into 10 to power minus 3. Which among the following is the correct formula to calculate cell constant? Cell constant is equal to K into R. Cell constant is equal to conductivity into resistance. Cell constant is equal to, I am talking about the cell constant is equal to conductivity into resistance. Next, question number 87. Calculate the degree of dissociation of. Degree of dissociation alpha we have to calculate it. Concentration. So concentration given lambda C lambda naught. So alpha is equal to lambda C divided by lambda naught. So is equal to, what is the value for lambda c? Lambda c is a 15 divided by, that's a 300. So this is equal to 1 by 20. So what is the value for 1 by 20 is 0.05. Which of the following expression represent molar conductivity AB3 type electrolyte? So what is the AB3? So AB3 is equal to A3 plus thrice divided by resistance. Cell constant divided by resistance. So substitute the value, will get the answer 6 into 10 to power minus 5. Conductivity is equal to cell constant divided by resistance. Which from following expression contain A2B3 type? So A2B3, 2 gives twice A, okay, something as a plus how many, plus thrice B, 2 minus 3 plus, okay, in this way. So this is 2 here, so this is 2 here, this is 3, so this is 3 here, so this is 2, this is 3. So option number A is correct. What is the molar conductivity of? So lambda we have to calculate it. Concentration, so C is equal to 0.05. Conductivity is also given. So what is the formula to calculate the molar conductivity? Molar conductivity is equal to 1000 K divided by C. 1000 K divided by C. Substitute the value, will get the answer 121.3. Next, calculate the molar conductivity of ammonium hydroxide at infinite dilution. Molar conductivity barium hydroxide are given. So NH4OH we have to calculate it. Plus, again this is the BaCl2, so BaCl2 on right side or left side. So this is on the NH4 on right side. Next, as the chlorine is given, so this is BaCl2 on right side is equal to, and what is the left behind? BaOH twice. BaOH twice. So how to balance it? So this is twice and this is twice. Okay. So 2 times lambda naught of NH4OH plus BaCl2. What is the given BaCl2? Second value BaCl2 280. BaOH twice. So first value BaOH 520 plus 2 times ammonium chloride 129. So first multiply by 2, addition, and then subtraction, then division. First multiply by 2, 129 multiply by 2, then addition with 520, again 280 minus and divide by 2. At the end divide by 2, we'll get the answer 249. A conductivity cell containing concentration given develop resistance. Resistance also. So conductivity is equal to cell constant divided by resistance. Cell constant given, resistance also given. Cell constant given, resistance given. So substitute the value, will get the answer. Have the ratio of their concentration. Two solution, ratio of their concentrations and ratio of their conductivities. What is the ratio of their molar conductivities? So molar conductivities. Lambda 1 divided by lambda 2. Ratio of their molar conductivity is equal to concentration 1000 K by C. So this is C2 divided by C1 multiply by, this is K1 divided by K2. So ratio of their concentrations is equal to C1 by C2. So 1 divided by 0.4. Multiply by conductivity 0.216 divided by 1. So is equal to 0.216 divided by 0.4. Okay, is equal to 2.16 divided by 4. So 0.54 is your answer. Use this formula. Lambda is equal to 1000 K by C. So this is lambda 1, K1, C1. Lambda 2 is equal to 1000 K, K2 divided by C2. Okay, and then, okay, take as a ratio. Next, calculate the molar conductivity of ammonium hydroxide. So ammonium hydroxide we have to calculate it plus NaCl. It should be NaCl on right side. So ammonium chloride on right side plus again NaOH. So this is we have to calculate it, lambda NH4OH plus NaCl. What is the value for NaCl? 126. NH4Cl 150 plus NaOH 248. So first add then subtract, will get the answer 272. First add 150 plus 248, add and then subtract 126 from this addition, will get the answer 272. A conductivity cell containing concentration given, generator resistance R is equal to resistance. Calculate the cell constant. Cell constant we have to calculate it. Electrical conductivity. So this is K value is given. So what is the cell constant? So cell constant is equal to K into R. K conductivity into resistance. Conductivity multiplied by resistance will get the cell constant. If we multiply these two values, what is the K value here? K is equal to 0.00141 multiplied by resistance 604. So is equal to 0.141 multiplied by 6.04. So we'll get the answer. Okay, 0.8. 0.8. Okay, if the molar conductivity of 0.8 molar concentration, so C is given. Molar conductivity, so lambda is also given. What is the conductivity? So K we have to calculate it. So molar conductivity is equal to 1000 K by C. So K is equal to lambda into C divided by 1000. So substitute the value, will get the answer. Which from following solution in pure water does not exhibit electrical conductivity? Cane sugar does not conduct electricity because there is no ion formation. Not ionic. Not ionic. Not electrolyte. Not electrolyte. Sugar is not electrolyte. Next, okay, calculate the molar conductivity of 0.01. Concentration is given. Conductivity of 0. That's the K is given. Calculate the molar conductivity. Lambda we have to calculate it. Question mark. So lambda is equal to 1000 K by C. Substitute the value, will get the answer. So this is 1000 multiply by K. How much K value? 1.2 into 10 to power minus 4. This whole divided by 0.001. Okay, get it? (0.01) concentration is given. Resistance is also given. Calculate the molar conductivity. Lambda we have to calculate it. Cell constant is given. So what is the formula? Molar conductivity is equal to 1000 K by C, but conductivity is equal to cell constant divided by concentration C multiplied by resistance R. R stands for resistance. So substitute all these value, will get the answer 1 into 10 to power 3. So how? This is 1000 multiplied by cell constant 0.852. This whole divided by C. How much C concentration? 0.001 multiplied by a resistance 852. Point shift kara, will get the answer 10 to power 3. हे डायरेक्ट नंबर कॅन्सल होता पहा 0.001 852 म्हणजे किती तो 0.85 ना गेट कॅन्सल आणि डायरेक्ट फक्त 1000 राहील 1000 में 10 to power 3 Okay, get it? Question 2023. Now start the question from 2024. Question 2024, right now 2024 question. The conductivity of, so this is K is given, K value given, cell constant given. What is resistance? R we have to calculate it. Question mark. So conductivity is, so what is the resistance? So conductivity is equal to cell constant divided by resistance. So resistance is equal to cell constant divided by conductivity. So substitute the value, will get the answer. So R is equal to cell constant divided by conductivity. What is the cell constant? 0.9 divided by K 0.0015. Get it? So solve the question. हा क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करा प्रॉपर. आपण एकदा असे 0 लिहू शकतो ना, 4 0. सो हा जो नंबर आहे, हा नंबर 9000 डिवाइडेड बाय 15 आहे. म्हणजे थोडक्यात हा नंबर 600 ओहम आहे. The molar conductivity of concentration given, molar conductivity also given, lambda is given, conductivity we have to calculate it. Formula, molar conductivity is equal to 1000 K by C. So what is the K value here? K is equal to lambda into C divided by 1000. So substitute the value, will get the answer. Concentration 0.1, molar conductivity 101. What is conductivity? If the conductivity of concentration given 0.2, conductivity K is given, molar conductivity we have to calculate it, lambda we have to calculate it. Again, molar conductivity 1000 K divided by C. Direct formula, substitute the value, will get the answer. 1000 K by C, substitute the value, will get the answer 121.5. The resistance of decimolar is equal to 0.1 molar. Ohm, resistance है, R is equal to. Calculate the conductivity. K we have to calculate it. Cell constant given. So conductivity is equal to cell constant divided by resistance. So what is the cell constant? 0.33 divided by, what is the resistance? 30. So what is your answer? 0.011. Point shift करून घ्या. Shift the point, will get the answer. The resistance of conductivity cell of concentration given 0.1 molar. Resistance is also given 120 ohm. Conductivity also given, K is equal to given. What is the value of cell constant? So cell constant is equal to conductivity into resistance. So what is the conductivity? 1.64 10 to power minus 4, resistance 120. We'll get the answer 0.0196. The molar conductivity of concentration given, molar conductivity also given. Calculate the conductivity, K we have to calculate it. Formula, molar conductivity 1000 K by C. So conductivity is equal to lambda into C divided by 1000. Substitute the value, will get the answer. So lambda, how much value? Molar conductivity 410. Concentration 0.02. This whole divided by 1000. 0 get cancelled, we will get the answer 8.2 into 10 to power minus 3. What is the cell constant if two platinum electrode conductivity cell are separated by? So this is length. Length is equal to 0.92. Area of cross section 1.2. So cell constant is equal to length divided by area. So what is the length? 0.92 divided by area 1.2. So this is 0.7. सॉल्व करा हा नंबर असा आहे 92 डिवाइडेड बाय 120. So 92 divided by 120, answer should be 0 point something, na? It is not a 1 point something, it is answer should be 0 point something. 0.767. A conductivity cell deep on concentration 0.05, a resistance 600 ohm, conductivity K is given 0.0015. What is the value of cell constant? Cell constant we have to calculate it. So cell constant is equal to conductivity multiplied by resistance. Conductivity given 0.0015 multiplied by resistance 600. So point shift करून घ्या आपण 1 2. So this is 0.15 multiplied by 6. So this answer should be 0.9. The limiting molar conductivity for NaCl, KBr, KCl are. NaBr we have to calculate it. So first take as the NaBr plus. So NaBr, NaCl, so KCl should be on left side, KCl on right side. So NaCl plus KBr. So we have to calculate the lambda naught of NaBr plus what is the KCl value? KCl value given 150 is equal to NaCl value 126 plus KBr value 152. First addition then subtraction, we will get the answer 128. First add करा 126 plus 152 add and then subtract 150. Which of the following expressions for conductivity of solution is not correct? Conductivity, resistivity, correct. This is correct. Conductivity 1 by resistance. No, it is not correct. This is your answer. Yes, it is correct. What is the conductivity of concentration given? Cell constant given. Resistance also given. Conductivity we have to calculate it, K. So conductivity is equal to cell constant divided by resistance. Substitute the value, we'll get the answer. For which electrolyte the molar conductivity at infinite dilution cannot be obtained graphically? Acetic acid is a weak electrolyte. Weak electrolyte. Also NH4OH. Ammonium hydroxide also there. The molar conductivity of concentration given, molar conductivity given, molar conductivity at infinite dilution also given. So this is lambda C, this is lambda naught. Degree of dissociation alpha we have to calculate it, alpha question mark. So alpha is equal to lambda C divided by lambda naught. So substitute the value, lambda C how much? 7.92. This whole divided by 232.7. So it should be 792 divided by 232.7, 10 to power how much? 1, 1, 2, 10 to power minus 2. So if you solve this, so we'll get the answer 3.41 into 10 to power minus 2. So answer has a 0.0341. So degree of dissociation alpha, lambda C by lambda naught. Molar conductivity at concentration C divided by molar conductivity at concentration, infinite concentration. Resistance and conductivity. So this is concentration we have to given 0.1. This is resistance also given R. Conductivity also given K. What is the value of cell constant? So cell constant is equal to conductivity into resistance. So what is the value for conductivity? Conductivity is a 1.90, 10 to power minus 6, and resistance is 115. If you solve this question, we'll get the answer. So please check out 10 to power minus 6 ohm resistance, 115 ohm. So 2.185, 10 to power minus 6. So conductivity is given as a 10 to power minus 6. What is the conductivity of C? So this is concentration. Concentration 0.05. KCl solution. Cell constant is given. Resistance is also given. So what is the conductivity? Conductivity we have to calculate it. So conductivity is equal to cell constant divided by resistance. So substitute the value. Cell constant 1.32. This whole divided by resistance, how much? 528. So this is equal to 132 divided by 528. Multiply by 10 to power minus 2. So we'll get the answer 0.2. 2.5. So answer as a 0.0025. A conductivity cell deep in concentration. So concentration 0.05. Resistance 600 ohm. If conductivity is K is equal to, what is the value of cell constant? So cell constant is equal to cell constant. Cell constant is equal to conductivity into resistance. So what is the value for conductivity? 0.0012 multiply by resistance 600. So point shift करूँगा. So this is multiply by 6. So how much point here? 12, 0.12. So this is your answer, 0.72. Which of the following unit of electrical measurement is not equivalent to 1 Siemens? So 1 Siemens म्हणजे per ohm म्हणजे reciprocal of resistance, and resistance R is equal to current in ampere आणि volt. Okay, so ohm the conductivity of 0.2 molar concentration. So concentration given, conductivity is also given. What is the molar conductivity? We have to calculate it. Molar conductivity is equal to 1000 K by C. So is equal to 1000 K. What is the K value here? K as a 0.00250 whole divided by C, 0.02. Point shift kara, we'll get the answer 125. Divide by 2 kara, divided by 2. 250 divided by 2 येतील. 250 divided by 2. The resistance of conductivity cell filled with concentration, resistance 100 ohm, conductivity is 1.70. What is the cell constant? Cell constant we have to calculate it. So cell constant is equal to K into R. So what is the value for K? 1.70 10 to power minus 4. Resistance 100. .017. Which from following concentration of weak electrolyte exhibit maximum molar conductivity? Maximum molar conductivity for minimum concentration, that is maximum dilution. Molar conductivity is equal to 1000 K by C. What is the conductivity of 0.05? So concentration given, resistance also given, cell constant given, conductivity K we have to calculate it. So conductivity K is equal to cell constant divided by resistance. So what is the cell constant? 0.315 divided by resistance 31.5. Answer 0.01. Point shift करा. Calculate the cell constant. Conductivity cell, concentration given, resistance also given, conductivity given. So calculate the cell constant. So cell constant is equal to K into R, conductivity into resistance. We'll get the answer 0.84. The molar conductivity of concentration given sodium hydroxide. So molar conductivity lambda is given. What is the conductivity? Conductivity K we have to calculate it. So molar conductivity is equal to 1000 K by C. Substitute the value, will get the answer. So this is okay. First modify the formula for K. So K is equal to lambda into C divided by 1000. So what is the lambda value? 230.5 multiplied by C. How much C? 0.02. This whole divided by how much? 1000. The molar conductivity, concentration given, molar conductivity given, conductivity we have to calculate it. 1000 K by C. So K is equal to lambda C by 1000. Substitute the value, will get the answer. The molar conductivity, concentration given, molar conductivity given, degree of dissociation alpha calculated. So this is lambda C. Lambda naught is given. Alpha is equal to lambda C by lambda naught. Substitute the value, lambda C 48.60 divided by lambda naught 400. The conductivity concentration C is given, K is given, molar conductivity we have to calculate it. So lambda is equal to 1000 K by C. Substitute the value, we will get the answer. Resistance and conductivity, concentration given, resistance given, conductivity given, cell constant calculated. So cell constant is equal to conductivity multiplied by resistance. So conductivity how much? 1.20 multiplied by 10 to power minus 2. Resistance is 120. So 144. So 1.44. Next, calculate the molar conductivity of aluminum sulfate. So first write the reaction. Al2SO4 thys gives twice Al3 plus thys SO4 2 minus. So is equal to 2 multiplied by. So Al3, what is the Al3 plus? So Al3 plus has the 189 plus 3 times sulfate how much? 160 is equal to multiply by 2 multiply by 3, we'll get the answer 858. The conductivity of 0.05 molar NaI. So concentration is given. Conductivity K is also given. Molar conductivity we have to calculate it. So molar conductivity is equal to 1000 K by C. So substitute the value, we'll get the answer 121.4. The molar conductivity of concentration is given. Molar conductivity lambda is also given 16.5 and molar conductivity, so this is lambda C, and 0 concentration, so this is lambda naught. Degree of dissociation alpha is equal to lambda C divided by lambda naught. So what is the value for lambda C? 16.5 divided by lambda naught 390.7. We'll get the answer 0.0422. The conductivity of concentration is given. Conductivity K is given. What is the molar conductivity? Molar conductivity is equal to 1000 K by C. So substitute the value. 1000 multiplied by K, 0.00216. This whole divided by 0.02. We'll get the answer 108. Point shift kara. Point shift. Only this is the answer your 216 divided by 2. So this is the 108. Calculate the percent dissociation of 0.01 weak molar conductivity and molar conductivity at infinite dilution. So this is lambda C, molar conductivity lambda C, and this is lambda naught. So this is alpha. Alpha value is equal to alpha lambda C divided by lambda naught. But okay, percentage alpha multiply by 100. So is equal to lambda C. So what is the lambda C? 3.3 divided by 132 multiply by 100 is equal to 330 divided by 132. So is equal to 2.5 percentage. Very important problem. Please note down. Percentage alpha lambda C by lambda naught multiply by 100. Identify the electrolyte from following so that lambda naught is not obtained graphically, not obtained from graphically variational lambda naught lambda C. Weak electrolyte. This is weak electrolyte. Acetic acid also there. CS3COOH. The conductivity of concentration is given. Conductivity is given. Resistance is also given. Cell constant we have to calculate it. So cell constant is equal to K into resistance. So substitute the value. What is the value for K? 0.012 multiply by 50. So we'll get the answer 0.6. What is the molar conductivity? So concentration is given. Molar conductivity lambda we have to calculate it. Resistance, if resistance of conductivity with cell constant. So cell constant given here. And here resistance is given. So this is R value given here. So how to calculate? So molar conductivity is equal to 1000 K by C. But K is equal to 1000 multiplied by cell constant. Cell constant divided by C multiplied by R. R stands for resistance. So substitute all remaining values, will get the molar conductivity. C is the concentration, R is the resistance, cell constant is given. If 0.01 molar concentration, so concentration given, resistance is given 40 ohm, cell having cell constant given, molar conductance of solution. So same question, same repeat here. Molar conductivity is equal to 1000 K by C. So is equal to 1000 multiplied by cell constant divided by C multiplied by resistance. So resistance given 40 ohm, cell constant given 0.4, concentration 0.01, substitute the value, will get the answer 10 to power 3. So select the correct relationship between conductivity and molar conductivity. Very easy question. Molar conductivity is equal to 1000 K by C. So molar conductivity is equal to 1000 K by C. Modify the equation, we'll get the conductivity. Identify the false statement from the following. False. Molar conductivity electrolyte maximum for zero concentration. Correct. The conductivity K, molar conductivity both for dilute increase with increase in dilution. No, it is wrong. So this is your answer. Number of ions per unit volume of solution electrolyte decrease on diluting the solution. Correct. Conductivity and molar conductivity of electrolyte depends on temperature. Correct. False statement among the following. What is the SI unit of resistivity? Ohm meter. Ohm meter is the SI unit of resistivity. Which from following relationship between the same question, molar conductivity is equal to 1000 K by C. So K is equal to lambda C divided by 1000. What is the molar conductivity? Molar conductivity at zero concentration for aluminium sulfate. Ionic molar conductivity zero concentration aluminium sulfate. So Al2SO4 Al2SO4 thrice. Okay, we have to calculate it. Question repeat gives is equal to twice Al3 plus and plus thrice SO4 2 minus. Okay, in this way. So 2 times is equal to 2 times Al3 plus. So Al3 plus 189 plus 3 times sulfate. So how much? 50.1. Multiply by 3, multiply by 2 and then add, we'll get the answer 528. What is degree of dissociation of lambda C? This is the lambda C, H and molar conductivity. Okay. So this is the acetic acid plus H plus. So this is how much? This is 50 plus 350. So it become as a, is equal to 400. Okay, 400. And then this is the molar conductivity at concentration. So concentration given so this is lambda C. So alpha is equal to lambda C divided by lambda naught. Okay, and lambda C value is given 20 and lambda naught we have to calculate it 400. So is equal to how much? 0 get cancel, 0 get cancel. So how much? 2 1 by 20. So 1 by 20 is equal to 0.05. So is equal to 5 into 10 to power minus 2. Okay, get it? Degree of dissociation. Acetic acid, just add the value of acetate and H plus ion. So what is the percent dissociation of NH4OH if alpha, if the molar conductance at zero concentration, ammonium chloride, ammonium hydroxide and molar conductivity of 0.01 ammonium hydroxide. Okay, so this is the alpha value here. How to calculate the alpha? Alpha is equal to lambda C divided by lambda naught. But what is the lambda naught value here? Zero concentration. So lambda C value is 9. So this is 9 value here. Okay, 9 value. And so percent dissociation so multiply by 100 multiply by 100. So we have to multiply by using the 100 number. multiply by 100. So what is the number for the lambda naught? So how to calculate the lambda naught? So what is the percent dissociation? If molar conductivity at 0 concentration, ammonium chloride. So ammonium hydroxide we have to calculate it here. Ammonium hydroxide. So ammonium hydroxide plus, that's next as the NaCl. So NaCl is equal to then ammonium chloride and plus how much? NaOH. So ammonium hydroxide we have to calculate it. Plus NaCl. What is the NaCl value? 109 is equal to NH4Cl 130 plus NaOH 2113. Okay. So what is the lambda naught value? Lambda naught is equal to, so this is a 2 3 4 3 minus 109. Okay, so is equal to this is the, that's a 9, lambda C is a 9 value here, 9 divided by the lambda naught. So lambda naught is a 9, 27. So this is the 26, something as a 26. So 100 divided by 26 is your answer. 100 divided by 26.